Assalamu alaikum students. This is the video lecture number 2 for week 10 task 2, and in this lesson I will describe about the structure and function of human ear from textbook pages 45 to 47. Hearing is as important as vision. Our ear helps us in hearing and also to maintain the balance or equilibrium of our body. Ear has three main parts: external ear, middle ear and internal ear. The external ear consists of pinna, this auditory canal and this eardrum, which is also called as tympanum. This pinna is the broad external part that is made up of cartilage, which is soft bone, and it is covered with skin. It helps to direct sound waves into this auditory canal. There are special glands in the walls of auditory canal which produce this wax. This wax and the tiny hairs that are present in this auditory canal protect the ear from small insects, dust, worms and insects like these and germs. This wax also helps to maintain the temperature and dampness of this auditory canal. So, the purpose of this dampness is to keep the auditory canal wet. This auditory canal ends in eardrum, which is also called as tympanum. The thin membrane separates the external ear from the middle ear. The middle ear is a chamber after external ear. Three small bones called middle ear ossicles are present in a chain in middle ear. These movable bones include malleus. The first one is malleus. Second one is incus. This is incus. And third one is stapes. This malleus is attached with eardrum. Then this is incus and this one is stapes. This stapes is connected with a membrane called oval window. So this is oval window. This one is oval window. And this oval window separates the middle ear from the inner ear. Now I will discuss about the function of this middle ear. The middle ear also communicates with the nasal cavity through Eustachian tube. This tube regulates the air pressure on both sides of eardrum. This tube regulates the air pressure on both sides, from here and from here. It regulates the air pressure from the both sides. And now I will discuss about the inner ear. The inner ear consists of three parts. First one is vestibule. Second one is semicircular canals. And third one is cochlea. This is cochlea. This vestibule is present in the center of inner ear. This is cochlea. This is all these are semicircular canals. And the central portion is vestibule. Three canals known as semicircular canals are posterior to this vestibule. And the cochlea, this cochlea is made up of three ducts and wraps itself into a coil tube. Sound receptor cells are present within the middle duct of this cochlea. So this was cochlea, this was vestibule, and these are semicircular canals. Just have a close look at the inner ear. This was inner ear, cochlea, vestibule and semicircular canals. And this was tympanum, this was malleus, incus, and this one is stapes. And these are the nerves from this vestibule, and these are the nerves from this cochlea. Okay, these are the nerves from this cochlea, and this was the vestibule, and these are the nerves that are arising from this vestibule. Now I will discuss about the process of hearing. The pinna of the external ear focuses and directs sound waves into auditory canal. The sound waves strike this eardrum and produce vibration in it. From this eardrum, the vibrations strike the middle ear, that is here, and produce further vibrations in the malleus. And malleus, incus and then stapes. From stapes, the vibrations strike this oval window and then reach the fluid-filled middle duct of the cochlea. So sound will reach here, and the fluid of cochlea is moved and receptor cells are stimulated. The receptor cells generate a nerve impulse which travels to the brain and it is interpreted as sound. So sound will travel here, and from here it will strike this eardrum, then malleus, incus and stapes, and then it will reach to the middle duct of this cochlea. Did you know that deafness is a state in which hearing is not possible? If you are able to hear my sound, then you are not deaf. But some people are facing the problem, that is deafness. The defect of eardrum, this eardrum, cochlea, this one, middle ear ossicles, or there would be a defect in the middle ear ossicles, that is the three bones which are malleus, incus and stapes, or the auditory nerve may cause deafness. Infection in this Eustachian tube may spread to the middle ear to the eardrum. This eardrum may be damaged by an infection in auditory canal. Here, excessive noise, strong blows on cheek, pointed objects entering auditory canal, and attack from the insects may also affect hearing. Did you know that this vestibule and these semicircular canals help to maintain the balance of body? These semicircular canals contain sensory nerves which can detect any movement of head. Vestibule can detect any changes in the posture of the body. The neurons coming from these two receptors reach cerebellum through the auditory nerve. Did you know that when there is a thunderstorm in unexpected weather conditions, there is the presence of lightning and a thunder? The lightning is caused by an electrical charge due to the movement of water droplets on crystals carried by wind. The sudden increase in pressure and temperature from lightning produces rapid expansion of the air. This expansion of air produces a sound of thunder. This flash of lightning is followed after some seconds by a roar of thunder. This time difference is due to the fact that sound travels slower than light. So that was all about the structure of human ear, and your home task is you have to memorize the concepts from textbook pages 45 to 47, and you have to draw the structure of human ear and write about the functions of its parts. If there would be no wax inside your ears in auditory canal, then these horrible insects can enter your ears and cause deafness. Just think about this blessing that is provided to you by the nature. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and have a nice day.